Snoring is many people's primary objective. I need to sleep quietly for whatever reasons are affecting their quality of life. The devices that we make very frequently reduce snoring to where it's not a problem anymore. Sometimes it doesn't go completely away, but it's acceptable for the person wearing the oral appliance. But what if it's not? Then we have to seek the reasons why snoring is happening and address those. Go upstream, look for an additional reason for that snoring. Oftentimes that means consulting with a rhinologist or an ear, nose, and throat physician. Sometimes it means invasive things. There's lots of tools. We'll find the right ones for you.